Alright, today's project we're going to be working on this closet here, doing a little bit of updating. As you can tell, it's a bit stuffed full of stuff, and it's got these ugly white wire shelves. So we're going to be updating these, making it look a lot nicer and reorganizing. So stay tuned to see the process, how we did it. And I've got my helper here, so I'm going to be on the camera just taking measurements, and they're going to be writing them down for me. Alright, so after several days of drying, we got the shelves ready. We're going to go ahead and put them in, show you the before and after. Alright, here's the finished product with the new shelves in, and the door back on. You can tell you can barely even see the wire shelves even existed. They're still under there, but it looks a lot nicer. But not a lot of work done. A few tools and some effort. You can do this in your own house.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, guys. Appreciate it. Tell me what you think in the comments of the shelves. And the finished product. We didn't really take hardly anything out either. Just a matter of organizing. A million times better.